How to fix cannot sign in, maximum number of free accounts have been activated error in your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix maximum number of free accounts have been activated error on your iPhone. So first of all, let's first know what this error means. Now, Apple or your Apple device each have a yearly limit of how many free accounts that you can create to log in into your iCloud. So if you exceed that limit, that will mean that you cannot create more account. So what you can do in this case is, first of all, you can head over to your settings. After that, you can just go to your software update. So update your software. For that, head over to general and head over to software. After that, just check if there is an update available and update your software. After doing that, come back to general and then scroll down. There, if you see a VPN and device management, tap on it and make sure that you're not connected to any VPNs. After you've made sure of that, what you can do is you can head back. After that, you can head over to your option that is your region, that is language and region. Tap on it and there you'll see region. Tap on region and make sure that you change the region to the one that you're living at now. After you tap on it, you'll have to agree to the terms and conditions and then your region will get changed. Now, the final thing that you can do to fix this issue is try signing in with an existing Apple ID, or what you can do is you can simply create a new Apple ID on another device and then sign in into this device. So you can do that if you want to create a new Apple ID. So you can always do that, and yeah, that's basically the fix for this. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.